Okay, so now we know how to measure lengths, and we know how to add and subtract two-digit numbers. So now we are going to use what we know to do that. It says the tail of a toy alligator is 6 inches shorter. By the way, this is session 1, lesson 25, page 593. Yours is a different color. I don't have colored paper, colored ink. Okay, so let's start over. The tail of a toy alligator is 6 inches shorter than the rest of its body. The rest of its body is 32 inches long. How long is the alligator's tail? So we know that this is 32 inches. And we know the alligator is 6 inches shorter than the rest of the body. The tail of it is 6 inches shorter. So we need to say, what's 6 inches shorter than 32? So we need to do this. 32 minus 6, right? That's what we're trying to find. So what would that be? 32 minus 6. Well, we could do a number line. And if we go back 6, let's go back to 30. So that's 2 jumps, and then 4 more. So that'd be 26. So we know the answer is 26 inches. I'm sure there's different ways you can do it. It says you can do a bar model, open number lines, measuring tape, yardstick. You can do it any way you want. So you could have taken it like this, and you could have said, okay, 32 minus 6. I'm not sure how they'd have, a measuring tape. They're saying you could take a measuring tape and you could go to 32 and go back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what they're saying you could do. Or a yardstick, you could do it the same way. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Now it says, explain how to find the length of the alligator's tail. So there's going to be different explanations. The way that I think is a good way to do it is to find the length that is 6 inches shorter than 32 inches, right? And that's what we did. So we know that the tail is 26 inches plus 6 inches equals 32 inches. How would one measurement of the whole alligator compare with the solution to your equation in problem 2 above? So they'd be the same. The possible explanation might be the measurements would be the same because in problem 2, I'm adding the length of 2 parts that make up the whole length. Okay, I didn't give you this page. Again, I don't want you to waste your time, not waste, but take your time doing that. Instead, let's just look at my book and see what it says. Okay, let's move that. Making you dizzy, aren't I? Okay, so we're talking about solutions here. And it says, what is it? How I solve a problem and find the answer. That's an explanation for that. What I know about it, I can draw a diagram to help find the solution to a problem. Examples. We already did all of this at the beginning of the year, didn't we? These are different ways that you can add double digit or subtract double digits. Okay, now I want you to do, let's move this out of the way, my book, and I want you to now do, now you're going to do, no, we are going to do session 2 together because you don't have a practice sheet for session 1. So we are on lesson 25 still, but we're on session 2 and we're on page 597. And it says, Michaela has a string of beads that is 56 centimeters long. She cuts off 8 centimeters to make it the right length for a necklace. How long is a string of beads now? Okay, so we know that she has 56 centimeters and she cuts off 8 centimeters. So what would the answer be? Well, you could do it this way. You could say 56 minus 8 equals what? And then we can say 56 minus 6 equals 2 equals 50. And then we take 50 and we need to take away how many more? 2 more. Equals 48. Or you could do a number line. And we have 56. I know that Jet loves the number line, so I bet he's doing the number line. So we can just go back to 50. And that's 6 jumps. And then go back 2 more. And that'd be 48. Or again, you can use your measuring tape. Go to 56 and go back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's kind of like using a number line, but using a measuring tape instead, isn't it? Okay, let's go to the next page, 598. Explore different ways to understand solving problems about length. Michaela has a string of beads that is 56 centimeters long. She cuts off 8 centimeters to make it the right length for a necklace. How long is the string of beads now? Okay, so the string of beads is 56. Oh, we just did this. This is what we did. They're just showing you now what we did. And we already did that. We went back 8. Or we could, or this way. That's what we just did together, isn't it? Look at the models on the previous page. Write a subtraction equation you can use to solve the problem. So the subtraction that we did was 56 minus 8 equals what? And then it says, explain how the jumps on the open numbers line show that Michaela cuts off 8 centimeters. So jumps to the left to show subtraction. See how we jump to the left to show subtraction? And we took away 6 and then 2 more. How long is this string of beads now? 48 centimeters. How much shorter is a string of beads that is 34 centimeters long than a string that is 56 centimeters long? Explain how you find your answers. How do you find your answer if you do that? You're going to take 56 minus 34 equals 22. Or you can say 34 plus what equals 56. Okay, look back at your try it strategies by classmates. Picture it and model it. Which models or strategies did you like best? Which way did you like best? Everyone's answers are going to be different. Now let's do some more problems. Jose, or Josie, I think it's Jose probably, throws a ball 59 feet. Oscar throws a ball 15 feet less than Jose. How far does Oscar throw the ball? Show your work. So, Jose throws the ball 59 feet. Oscar throws the ball 15 feet less. So we're going to minus. So what does that equal? Well, we can do, well, this time let's just use this. Let's do because I haven't done one like this. Okay, so we have 59, and we need to go back 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that would be 44 feet. Okay, Kelly has a piece of string that is 70 inches long. She uses some of the string to wrap a package. Now she has 24 inches of string left. How many inches of string does Kelly use? So we're going to do 70 minus 24 equals what? Or we can do 24 plus what equals 70. So let's do the 24 plus what? So we're going to start at 24 and we need to go to 70. So let's go to 64. We know that's 40. And then 6 more. So the answer would be 46. Okay, so you can use a measuring tape, you can do addition, and let's do subtraction on this one. Tom's first track is 54 centimeters long. His second track is 82 centimeters long. How much shorter is the first track than the second track? Okay, so we can do 82 minus 54 equals, or you could do 54 plus what equals 82. But let's do the minus. So we're going to go to 82. We're going to go all the way back to 62. And we know that's 20. And then 62, let's go to 60. That's 2 more. And then to 54, that's 6 more. So now we have 54. So now add these up. 22 plus 6 is 28. Okay, now you get to try it on your own. So I want you can choose whichever way you want to answer these questions. I want you to do session 2, the one by yourself. And if you need help, I'm sure someone in your family can help you.